I wonder what is this? Kind of like that, like dry. Who does not want to wear like something like that? This one is gonna be a really nice lipstick to wear every day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. As you guys know about me, I love nude lipstick. I like natural look. I love to wear like something like for every day. Like I don't have to worry about, you know, having that big bold red lipstick or too much color for me during the day that I have to wear. I found this in Nordstrom. I shop in there. It was the moment that when I was taking my break and then I was scrolling around on my phone and then I found this thing. So this one, it is a Nudestix. Everything about this one is actually like really light color for like everyday use. It's something like it's me because I love natural lipstick that you can just wear every day. So let's check it out inside. Actually guys, I have not opened this one yet, so it's gonna be you and I gonna be the first to see inside in this box. I'm sure some of you guys already have this one, but for me this is my first time, so I'm really excited. So this is what it look like, the box. So it's like this. So I wonder what is this. So they gave me this, like the small one. Oh, it's the Sharpen. And then we have all really cool color. As you guys can see, they're all like natural color. It has like some have a little bit more color onto the other, but it's like natural color still. It's kind of like that. You have this, a Sharpen. So just like that. Let me clean my lips. I should do like a mask on the evening, right? So they can have like a nice lips when you wake up in the morning and you do the video, your lips will be beautiful. We're going to start on this color, the Secret Keeper. It's so pretty, it's so natural. It's like I'm not even wearing a lipstick and very moist. I was like thinking about like it might be like dry lipstick or crayon lipstick, but I was wrong. So this one, it's super moist, super lighter. It's really nice guys, and I love the color. So the next one is Ali. This one is another really pretty. As you guys can see, that so natural looking on my lips. Who does not want to wear like something like that? It's also very moist as well too, just like the first one. This is a really good for summer. Summer's coming up, so this one is gonna be a really nice lipstick to wear every day. Okay, so the third one is the Push. I will put the name on the video so you guys can see. This is another lighter one as well. This one guys, it's a little bit different, really moist as well too, but it has that a little bit like shiny. This one is a beautiful, nice natural pink, a little bit with the pink, but it's like shiny. So the fourth one is called Babe. So this one is more like an orangey, something like that, but let's see. This is a little bit orangey as you guys can see, but it's still in the line of natural. It just actually, I think it just depends what your skin tone for this one. This orange will be look beautiful on a lighter skin, and it will be more like for them will be like very natural one. But I can still wear with this one because I have a tan skin and it's still looking really good on that tan skin. The fifth color guys is gonna be the False, and this is a little bit dark as the color looks over here, but we'll see. Actually, I'm really surprised because it's not dark on my lips. This is kind of like the combination in the first lipstick, and this one, it's more like oily into it, but it's not heavy. Still, I love it. I love the color. It looks super natural still. The last color is Crepe. This is the color of the Crepe, guys. This one is definitely had the colors. This one is the darkest color of all these 6 colors, one set. This one's gonna be is like an evening for me, because as you guys know, I love like a natural and during day, so this one is gonna be my evening. Okay guys, I was doing this earlier, but then I forgot, so I ended doing only 2 color for this one. I think this is the Secret Keeper and the Olive. So I'm gonna show you guys each one so you guys can see like more color. This third one is gonna be the Pulse. It's a really nice. The next one is a Babe. It's like an orangey looking color to this one. And then the fifth one is the Pause. The last color, guys, this is like a darker of all this set. We started on this is the color on the boxes. So this one is the very light color, a really light, like you can wear it during day or working day. So I would say this too is like a working day. So and then it goes to a little bit color, and then you get the orangey like right over here. And this one is the feet color. It's like combination with like these 2 color right on the top and here, and then you have the darker color right in the very end one on here. Which one you guys favorite? But I think it's my favorite one over here. But this one is so great. As you guys can see, like it goes from very light to the darker color. So getting close so you guys can see. So there, everything guys that I showed you guys. This one is amazing. So if you guys are looking for like a natural look lipstick that you guys can wear it during day or your working day, like working outside or something like that, and want to have something like color in your lips, but you don't want to be like need a lot of attention outside, so this is must. You can actually go to their website, or you can go to, I bought this one from Nordstrom.com. So because I love Nordstrom, we used to have one in here actually guys, but for some reason they left, so we only have like Nordstrom Rack, which is they don't have this on a Nordstrom Rack, so you have to get it this on Nordstrom.com. But you can actually buy this one on their website. They do have this on a website, and I believe they might have in Ulta as well too, or Sephora. They do have a in Sephora. Just check it out in there, because I didn't look actually in there, but I figured that they might have this one, because this is pretty much like a popular lipstick. But this is my first time using this, and I would say I love it. They have like a little mirror right here. You just have to clean it. I didn't clean it, but this one is actually beautiful colors. I would guarantee that because I wear it. So I think I'm gonna try something else from their website. They do have like eyeshadow, I think, or something like that, but I'll try that one. But anyway, that's everything I have to show you guys and explain to you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so subscribe now so you won't miss any of my review or something great on my YouTube. But anyway, thank you so much. I'm gonna win this beer, I'm